To auto adjust wired headphones volume when driving mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap driving, tap change setting. Next, tap media volume and then slide the volume adjustment bar under wired headphones to the desired level. As the example, we will set it to 35%. Tap done button and then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, now when the driving mode is active, your phone will automatically adjust the media volume level to 35% while you are listening through your wired headphones. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.